Yes, it's so good. You can use pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin. Did I say anything right? I hope so, because I'm done. What else should we talk about? I'm gonna do this really technical. I'm just gonna like break it up into pieces because I don't feel like cleaning my knife again. Your fingers are gonna smell like garlic, but they were gonna smell like garlic anyway, you know? Couldn't handle the garlic, I had to wash my hands. Okay, now it's time to add, is it time to add salt? Where are you? There you are. Right in front of my face. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to make the sauce. Now to make the sauce. Now it's time to make the salad. Maybe I shouldn't be moving so much before I tell you what to do. How distracting is this? Okay, don't ever want anyone to count the amount of times I say okay in a day or on a video. Okay. Now, done.